Hey everyone, I'm Miss Susan. In today's Quick Bite video, you'll be learning how to make a field journal. In your field journal, you'll have a place to write your observations, and you'll also have pockets that you can collect things on your outdoor nature walk or keepsakes and mementos. This is part of our Summer Quest Wondrous Wilderness Kit, so we're going to be going over basic instructions next, so let's get started. So here are the basic supplies you'll need to create your journal. Most of these items you'll probably already have at home or can easily find them at the supermarket or even the dollar store. You're going to need about 4 to 5 brown paper lunch bags, and you can certainly use colored bags or pattern bags or something that's a little bit larger, whatever you feel you want to use. A stapler, some heavier cardstock or scrapbook paper, or maybe even index cards. It's something that's heavy enough to write on that you won't tear the paper. You'll need scissors, glue stick, and maybe some yarn or twine or ribbon or something that you'll be able to use as decoration for your journal, and a hole punch. For our field journal, the sample is pretty basic. I just used some duct tape and some foam letters, and I wanted it to look a little bit rustic, so I went with a very basic pattern, but you can feel free to embellish it any way you'd like. So the first thing we'll do is take our lunch bags. You're going to fold each of your lunch bags in half, and we're going to be stacking them inside of one another. But we're going to need to alternate so that you get your pocket and your writing part to be alternating with each other. So the first one, the flap, is going to be on the top of our inside of the cover. And then the next one will actually be alternating with the pocket. Then one with the flap, and then one with the pocket. So just try to make sure unless you want to keep two together, that's perfectly fine, however you want to create it, but this will give you the option to have a place to write in between. Once you get those stacked together, you're going to fold it, take your stapler, and staple to create the binding. So next we're going to be creating the pages for the inside of the journal. So you can use your colored paper and cut it to about the same size and shape as the inside of your journal and then glue it. You can use anything that you like, any pattern, any decoration. You can use an index card with some lines on it if that helps to write a little bit straighter, or just a plain index card. Something that's a little bit heavier paper stock probably will help to prevent, when you're writing, tearing through the paper of the journal. But those are some different options for you to try as far as just gluing them into the pages of the journal. Next, we're going to secure the pockets of the journal so that the items that you collect or things that you're storing in there won't fall out. So I'm going to go ahead and put some items in this journal that my kids and I collected on a nature walk. You'll punch holes into both sides of your pocket, and then I'm going with the twine because I like that rustic look, but you can certainly use ribbon or yarn or make buttons for it, whatever you would like to do to secure the pocket. I'll just tie a knot and another one, just a loose knot so you don't rip the paper. And then you'll see our items are secure in there. And finally, you're going to go ahead and embellish your journal however you'd like. Again, we just used some basic supplies that we had at home, some stickers, duct tape, anything that you want, crayons, glitter. Go crazy with it, make it as beautiful as you want. And that's your journal. So now that you've made your journal, you're ready to get out there and start exploring, collecting, and writing about your outdoor adventure. Thank you for watching.